Welcome to Inner Light. My name is Angela, and in this guided meditation, we're going to be exploring our spiritual home, keeping our inner conversation in heaven in order to manifest the conditions of heaven on earth. This is an excerpt of a service at Unity on the Bay. Let us begin. Good morning, and as we prepare ourselves for meditation, I invite you to close your eyes for a moment and allow yourself to be very comfortable in the chair that you are sitting. And take a deep breath. Breathe in, hold it, and breathe out. And as you breathe out, let go of the busyness of this day, any thoughts about the future or the past, any concern for life, as you allow yourself to experience this deep and profound relaxation. And so I invite you to bring your attention to your physical body and to your breathing, starting with your face. Let's relax all the muscles of the face and relax the muscles of your neck. Relax the muscles of your shoulders as you allow yourself to go deeper and deeper into a state of inner stillness, a state of presence, no concern for the things of this world, and continue to allow your physical body to go deeper and deeper into a profound sense of well-being and relaxation, to the point that all the cells of your body right now is very, very relaxed. In this state of fully present, you begin to experience a sense of being supported by life. This place within you is actually the secret place of the Most High. And as you bring yourself to this place again and again, it will be revealed to you how powerful you are. That as a matter of fact, all power under heaven and earth has been given unto you. And you take that power by consciously choosing what you think, what you feel, and what you believe. And so today, let us keep our inner dialogue in heaven so that we may experience heaven on earth. And so silently repeat to yourself, right here and right now, I stand on holy ground. My safety, my security, my love, and my abundance is being freely offered to me by this indwelling divine presence that I am. This day I claim my freedom from the conditions of the world. I claim my divine heritage as this beautiful and eternal being of light. Let my desire from now on to experience God's vision for my life. Not my vision, God's vision, beyond anything I could possibly imagine. I sit here today with an open heart to receive that vision and to move forward, encouraged and empowered. So let us sit for a few moments in pure silence with an open heart as we allow ourselves to marinate in this divine love that is within us. From now on, I choose to create the good, the holy, and the beautiful. I allow myself to be an extension of the love that resides in me. And I know beyond any measure of a doubt that here where I am, I have everything that I could possibly need if I just believe. So just believe and be set free. With your heart filled with confidence, feeling empowered from within, little by little, begin to bring your awareness back to this room, back to the chair that you're sitting, feeling your physical body, allowing yourself to awaken from this wonderful communion with the divine. And with your heart filled with light and love, whenever you're ready, you can open up your eyes. This video has been created to help you spend some time in the secret place of the Most High within yourself, so that you can begin to perceive changes in your life from the inside out. The more time you spend in this indwelling kingdom, the faster you will see the changes taking place. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to share it with your friends. And having said that, from my heart to your heart, I see you in love and light. Namaste.